Ever feel like your bank is stuck in the past, lagging behind the sleek and easy-to-use apps you love on your phone? You're not alone. That's where Lunar comes in, the mobile banking app designed for the modern world. But how exactly do you ditch the old and embrace the new? Buckle up, because in this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about getting a Lunar account, step by step. Why Lunar? Let's talk perks. Before we dive in, let's address the elephant in the room. Why Lunar? Here's the deal. Lunar isn't just another bank account. It's your gateway to a smarter financial future. Here are just a few reasons why Lunar might be your perfect banking match. Free mobile app. Say goodbye to clunky online banking interfaces. Lunar lives on your phone, making it easy to manage your money anywhere, anytime. High interest rates. Tired of banks hoarding all the interest? Lunar offers competitive interest rates on your savings, so your money actually works for you. Budgeting tools. Need help sticking to a budget? Lunar has built-in tools to track your spending and set goals, keeping you on the path to financial freedom. Shared accounts. Going Dutch with friends or family. Lunar lets you easily create shared accounts for rent, groceries, or any other expense you tackle together. Investment options. Ready to grow your wealth beyond savings? Lunar offers simple investment options, all within the same app. Ready to get started? Here's how. Okay, convinced? Let's get you set up with Lunar. The entire process takes just minutes, so grab your phone and get ready to experience banking the way it should be. Step 1. Download the app. First things first, head over to the App Store or Google Play and search for Lunar. Download and install the app on your phone. Easy, right? Step 2. Sign up. Once the app is open, tap on Sign Up. Lunar will then ask you for some basic information, including your name. Seems obvious, but hey, gotta start somewhere. Email address. This will be your login for Lunar, so make sure it's an address you check regularly. Phone number. Lunar might use this for verification purposes, so make sure it's the number associated with your phone. Step 3. Verification. After entering your information, Lunar will likely send you a verification code via text message. Enter the code on the app to confirm your phone number. Step 4. Identity check. To comply with regulations, Lunar will need to verify your identity. This usually involves snapping a picture of your government-issued ID and a quick selfie. Don't worry, the process is secure and your information is safe with Lunar. Step 5. Funding your account. Now for the fun part, loading up your new Lunar account. You can easily connect your existing bank account to transfer funds electronically. Alternatively, some Lunar accounts allow for mobile check deposits. Step 6. Explore and conquer. Congratulations! You're officially a Lunar user. Take some time to explore the app and familiarize yourself with all the features, budgeting tools, investment options, shared accounts. It's all there at your fingertips. Lunar tips and tricks. Now that you're a Lunar Pro in training, here are a few bonus tips to make the most of your experience. Set up automatic transfers. Make saving a breeze by setting up automatic transfers from your other bank account to your Lunar savings. Explore the budgeting tools. Don't just let your money disappear. Use Lunar's budgeting tools to categorize your expenses and track your spending habits. Join the Lunar community. The Lunar app often has a community forum where you can connect with other users, share tips, and ask questions. Lunar, your gateway to financial freedom. With Lunar, managing your money doesn't have to be a chore. It's time to ditch the outdated banking experience and embrace a smarter, simpler, and more rewarding way to manage your finances. So what are you waiting for? Download the Lunar app today and take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.